How to fix Microsoft Store error 0x8A150003. In this video I will show you few solution to fix the problem. If that didn't work, outdated system components can lead to compatibility issues with the Microsoft Store. Keeping Windows updated ensures that all necessary dependencies are installed. If that didn't work, corrupted cache files can prevent the store from functioning properly. Resetting the cache forces the Microsoft Store to rebuild these files. If that didn't work, if the Microsoft Store is not functioning correctly, re-registering it using PowerShell can restore its default settings. Copy and paste the command that you will find in the description of this video. The Microsoft Store relies on Windows services to function properly. If these services are stopped or misconfigured, error 0x8A150003 may occur. Scroll down and find the following services: Windows Update, Microsoft Store Install Service, Background Intelligent Transfer Service, BITS. Set the startup type to automatic. Select it from the drop-down menu. Close the services window and try using the Microsoft Store again. If none of the previous methods work, resetting or reinstalling the Microsoft Store may resolve the issue by restoring it to its default state.